If you're tired of cluttered makeup counters and poor lighting while getting ready, today's product might be exactly what your beauty space needs. Today we're reviewing this vanity desk with storage body mirror, featuring an LED makeup mirror, full-length body mirror, built-in charging station, 14 drawers, 10 shelves, a glass tabletop, and a matching vanity chair. But is this all-in-one makeup station really worth the investment? Let's take a closer look. This vanity is designed to be much more than just a makeup table. It combines a beauty station, jewelry organizer, storage cabinet, charging hub, and dressing mirror into one modern piece of furniture. The clean white finish gives it a premium appearance that fits beautifully in bedrooms, dressing rooms, beauty studios, apartments, or walk-in closets. If organization and convenience are your priorities, this vanity certainly makes a strong first impression. The biggest highlight is the incredible amount of storage. With 14 spacious drawers and 10 open shelves, there's plenty of room for cosmetics, skincare products, perfumes, brushes, hair tools, jewelry, handbags, and daily essentials. The glass tabletop adds a premium touch while allowing you to easily view frequently used accessories stored underneath. Another standout feature is the full-length body mirror, letting you check your complete outfit before leaving the house instead of relying only on a small makeup mirror. This makes the vanity function as both a beauty station and a dressing area. The LED makeup mirror is equally impressive. It offers 3 adjustable lighting modes, typically warm, natural, and cool white, making it easier to apply makeup for different environments and lighting conditions. Brightness is also dimmable, allowing you to customize the lighting based on your preference. The built-in charging station provides convenient power for your phone, hair dryer, curling iron, straightener, or other beauty devices without needing additional extension cords nearby. The included padded chair completes the setup and provides comfortable seating during longer makeup or skincare routines. In daily use, this vanity performs exactly as you'd expect from a premium makeup station. The large storage capacity helps keep beauty products neatly organized and easy to access. The LED mirror provides bright, even illumination that makes makeup application much more accurate than relying on standard bedroom lighting. The charging station reduces cable clutter and keeps styling tools within reach. The body mirror is especially useful when putting together complete outfits, while the glass tabletop creates a luxurious appearance that's easy to wipe clean. Overall, this vanity successfully combines functionality, organization, and modern style into one attractive furniture piece. So, is this vanity desk with storage body mirror worth buying? If you're looking for a makeup vanity that offers exceptional storage, professional style lighting, full-length mirror convenience, and modern organization features, it's an excellent option. The combination of 14 drawers, 10 shelves, LED dimmable mirror, 3 lighting modes, charging station, glass tabletop, body mirror, and included chair makes it a complete beauty workstation for everyday use. While assembly may take some time because of the number of components, and the larger size requires adequate room, the overall design, storage capacity, and convenience make it a worthwhile investment for beauty enthusiasts and anyone wanting a more organized dressing space. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of home furniture, beauty products, bedroom essentials, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.